This is the fourth lecture for class 12 physics, and in this lecture we will study about Coulomb's law in vector form. And for Coulomb's law in vector form, very important, the concept of diagram. Here along x axis and y axis, the two axes taken, and when two charges q1 and q2 are taken with position vector r1 and r2, then when joining A and B from B to A, then the position vector of A with respect to B, that is r12 along AB and r21 along BA. Now force on charge Q1, that is F1 2, and force on charge Q2 F2 1. In Coulomb's law vector form, we are knowing the concept of Coulomb's law in normal form 1/4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 upon R square. Here R is equal to R12 vector is equal to R21 vector mod. In both case, the value is that is equal to R, and here R means what? That is AB. So for proving Coulomb's law, calculation of F12, that is force on charge Q1 due to Q2, 1/4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 upon R square, and the unit vector along BA, that is R21 unit cap. This is the force on charge Q1 due to Q2. Now similarly, force on charge Q2 due to Q1, that is F21 is equal to 1/4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 upon R square R12 unit cap. This is equation number 1, and here the value of R12 we will replace in the terms of R21 by using another concept in triangle OAB. R1 plus R12 equal to what? R2. So R12 is equal to R2 minus R1. Similarly, R21 vector is equal to R1 minus R2, and we are knowing that from class 11 concept, for calculation of any vector unit terms, that is vector A upon mod of vector A. Same here, R12 unit cap is equal to R12 vector upon mod of vector R12. R12 here value, that is R2 minus R1 upon mod of either R12 or R21, both having same meaning. Then when we take minus sign here, R1 minus R2 upon R21 mod R1 minus R2, this is vector R21, this is minus R21 vector upon R21 mod, this is representing minus R21 unit cap. Here the value of R12 unit cap that is equal to minus R21. So 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 upon R square. Here R21 unit cap with negative sign. So minus taken common. 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 upon R square R21 unit cap. This one value from equation 1 is equal to minus F12. This is the concept of Coulomb's line vector form, and it is also what representing Newton's third law. Newton's third law. So this is very important law, and with the help of this law we can calculate force and concept of their importance. Thank you so much.